Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by marinating the beef to tenderize and flavor it. This is how and why the meat absorbs sauce. Combine soy, a spoon of sugar, crushed garlic, and pepper, then let sit 30-60 minutes. Heat your pan until very hot and sear in batches. Doing so locks juices and builds fond for the sauce. Once seared, remove beef and reserve fond. This brown base is essential for depth of flavor in the next step. Once the pan is deglazed with 1 cup water or beef stock, you scrape the fond to capture concentrated flavor. That's why deglazing matters. Add aromatics, star anise, bay leaf, whole peppercorns, plus 1 tablespoon sugar for balance. Return beef, reduce heat, and simmer covered for 45-60 minutes until fork tender. This slow, gentle cooking breaks down collagen into gelatin, yielding a silky sauce. Taste and adjust soy or sugar near the end to balance salt and sweetness. You finish by removing aromatics, then reduce the sauce on medium-high to a glossy, slightly thick consistency. This concentrates flavor and helps the sauce cling to rice. Skim excess fat with a spoon if you prefer a cleaner mouthfeel, and serve with garlic fried rice and a bright pickled salad for contrast. If the beef is still tough, don't panic, return it to low heat and simmer uncovered for another 20-30 minutes. Longer. Low moist heat transforms tough cuts into tender bites.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.